Are you burning your budget on wrong audience with low sales and high CPC? As a digital marketer, I will restructure your campaign, fix your conversion tracking and laser target ready to buy customers to stop the budget bleed and maximize your ROI. Hello, I am Priyanka Das. I am a digital marketer. I work on search engine optimization, social media and LinkedIn marketing. I love to help businesses to grow online presence and collect their data as much as long as. Always learning new skills and stay updated to get more and better results for clients. If you are looking for someone to help with your businesses, feel free to contact.